be interested on this run.
Surprise!
Both the brakes just went on that run.
Those speed runs will get the blood pumping, Marcellus. Oh, it gets the blood pumping, man. It's like when you get on that game field and you threw those out routes and you imagine everything to success.
Speaking football terms right now, man. You're driving a car.
Shut up, Taylor, I'm recording.
This is like running into a 300-pound lineman right here. We're blitzing the quarterback.
Jamie Whittle, he said not only warming up the tires, but warming up the brakes. There's no doubt that he's going to go airborne and will get the distance. Where the doubt comes in is will he be able to stop on the other bars?
So there's no doubt he's going to make it.
As Travis prepares himself again, the original plan was 2 speed runs and braking at that pier sign. If he goes past that pier sign, it's the point of no return. He has to go airborne. Let's listen in. Thank you.
Yeah, my face.
Is this it right here? I think you just
Yeah. Looks like it.
I think you just said good.
Gave the signal that he's good to go.
Yeah.
That this will be it.
Oh my gosh. I'm nervous.
Let's do it.
Travis Pastrana,
I'm getting the shot.
flying a car.
This is in California. What time is it now here?
11:03.
Oh my god.
He's gonna die.
Oh,
Nice.
wow.
Hit the fence. Sweet.
That was kind of anticlimactic.
Yeah. That sucks.
He almost broke through that barrier.
That was tight though.
He's like, oh my god.
That was a good jump.
That was.
It was perfect.
That was way slick. Oh, so slippery. Man has flown a car. Travis Pastrana on top of the world. Happy New Year. Wow.
Really, really far. 250 feet's a long way.
And he's just dive into the water.
Yeah.
That'd be so cool.
Wow, I'm sure he's like.
Did you see that kid on CNN? Like his whole family was watching him from inside, and he got on the pool or like on the diving board, and you could see it snowing around him, and he jumped in.
Attempted that. A world record by far. We will get the official distance a little later on, but for now, just
He's about to.
He's going to jump in.
What if he didn't come up?
Or hit his head on the
Look at the rescue guys.
Look at them all. How many rescue boats do they need? 7?
Like expert divers.
It's a good thing the rescue boats were here after all, Marcellus. Oh, exactly. He's
Right, because you can't swim. Alright, let's play our game.
Everybody knows if you ride dirt bikes, you can't
You
swim.
can put another notch in the belt of the legend.
That water's gotta be freezing.
Okay.